Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. Today we are back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a new VPN app. This app it is available on Google Play Store. The app is very useful. This app can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are using the internet. The app can also enhance on your online connection when you are browsing online. So this app is already on Google Play Store. Simply head over to Google Play Store where you can search, install Android apps, and when you reach on Google Play Store, simply search for Robot VPN. And when you search for Robot VPN, a list of apps will be presented to you. Don't hesitate to pick this app. Please you pick it. You pick this app right here. So you pick this app and you can take note of the app name. You can take note of the app icon, and after that install this app on your device. And this app will help you to add an extra layer of security. This app will help you to secure your connection as you are using the internet. So after installing the app, simply tap on the open button to set up the app. And as we open this app, please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you subscribe, you won't be missed. You won't miss any of our future coming content. So when you reach in the app, you are required to do some settings, and the first setting is tap on the 4 buttons. Among the presented, you opt for check updates. So this is done to update the app resources, and also to give this app a chance to update its configurations to the latest version for better performance. And after that, you are required to pick a server. So you'll be required to tap here and then you pick your desired server. So for today's guide, you pick any of available servers. You can either pick auto server, you can pick this one, or the presented servers. And for today's guide, let's pick any of the global server right here. And after that, after picking a server, so you pick a server which is near to your location, or you can pick a server which is working worldwide, like this one, auto server. So even this one, the global server, it is working worldwide. So you can pick any of which you prefer. And after picking a server of your choice, you are required to pick the network. But for today's guide, we are sharing UDP. So we are gonna choose the all country UDP settings. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are using the internet. And if your country supports UDP, please you pick this option labeled all country UDP. So UDP, it is working for all countries which support UDP. And after picking UDP, you are required, before we go to another setting, in case your country does not support UDP, you can pick your country name. So you just simply tap here, and then among the presented, you pick your country name. But for the sake of this video, we are sharing UDP settings. So you pick all country UDP, and after picking all country UDP, you are required to insert a secure connection. And to insert a secure connection, simply tap on this start button, and when you tap on the start button, your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up Robot VPN to get a secure connection, extra protection, and also to secure our online presence when we are using the internet. And that's how we set up Robot channel. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content.